While LibreOffice has been designed to work on multiple operating systems natively, most of its users run the Office suite on Windows. The procedure to install LibreOffice on Windows, Mac, and Linux distros differs. This video from OS College demonstrates downloading and installing LibreOffice for Windows. Step 1 is downloading the installation file. Go to the download page on LibreOffice's website. The address is on the screen. The two latest versions can be downloaded. One is the latest stable release. The other is the newest, referred to as fresh. The website will automatically show one of the two Windows, 32-bit or 64-bit, choices in the drop-down menus for each version. Clicking the menus reveals other choices. Click the download button for the desired version. Go to the location where the file has been downloaded. Double-click on it. The first dialog gives an introduction to the suite and the installation process. Click the Next button. The Setup Type page lists two types of installations, Typical and Custom. Typical will install the suite with the dictionaries and user interface languages that match your Windows settings and default components. Custom allows you to select which components and languages are to be installed. Selecting Typical and clicking Next will take you to the last page, ready to install the program. Choosing Custom and clicking Next takes you to a custom setup page that has various settings for the components and languages. The custom setup is not covered in this video. Clicking the Next button takes you to Ready to install the program. On this page are two checkboxes. The first one will create a shortcut icon. A check in the second one will launch LibreOffice each time Windows goes through its boot process. Click Install. You will be asked to confirm the installation. Click Yes. The setup process will start. After the process is complete, a dialog appears, telling you the installation wizard is completed. Click the Finish button. LibreOffice is now ready to use. This video has demonstrated downloading and installing LibreOffice for Windows. Thank you for watching. To learn more about the Office suite, check out OS College's other videos on YouTube and Facebook. There are also more videos and articles on the OS College website.